Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching us from. Welcome back to another live session with Jnana Caksus does.
Yeah, no cremono say okasa wo kan tumi power. Africa possess so much power. Because Africans, you know, you're very indigenous people. We used to be very natural people. I say, yeah, you're natural, yeah, you're before the middle, you're very. But originally in Africans, you're very spiritual people, you're very natural people. Because people are so close to nature, we pay attention to natural principles. So there's so much power in Africa. But it's very unfortunate to see as a tradition in Nando. And in our boil back to the point, say, Dodo now again say, so you will be a follow traditional stuff, who did the natural things a cheer. Na eyako yes say, eya bosom sem, and I know maybe a evil thing and copon. And into gradually, no, and no maybe a no papa, not sumi womu, a Africa, and Dodo na ye too. And to be honest with you, no, following tradition, following customs and principles, no, it brings about powers to do things. Say to three no many traditional wise, true custom wise, and ethics wise, and no boyen and my to me, to me, so no. Now, never see and discuss about the mysteries of anthills, and there you be in some creative so for people to understand. Say, hey, now that be a we are Sibiano, and say woman. Like I said, Africans were so close to nature. We used to be, they said, you're close to nature anymore. Maybe be an Africa, no may have from Kwani. But to be honest with you, say, open to me. Africa, there's so much power. Now, anthill, there are some mysteries about it. The first mystery, he said, so it's a termite, termite, can,
Okay.
Omodo anthill. It didn't anthill because insects be near, but a termites. Omo is a termitarium. That's scientific termitarium. No, omo I to say be pocket to where this. He was a to na cover. I am one kitten. That is the first mystery. Just imagine say nipa so sit down. You hear you hear mortar, you hear many things to do that. But some one kitten we now. They are able to build this whole big building. When you free. Now just sit down and think about it. Where do they get the water from? And any free. Until multi building as a until Musea. Where the second tramum now her apartment a womb, any demarcations you will be shocked. And it's amazing, say every apartment in that building no connect to another one. Wow. Then what I say? Until you see what side you so a CB. But what time me you and I'll be the compartment, the apartment inside. An apartment be a won't be an omodum. But every apartment be an a connecting room. I call different apartment. To better anthill, but more than best 1,000 of apartment. Nina no omo de omano. Any nsuo ni dotie na ye nyina. And there's one thing I want to say today. The anthill is called the abode of the gods. The anthill is called, mystically, it's called the abode of the gods. It's down. That's where you go and meet the king and the queen of the termites. Or more to say. Huh? Yes. The king and the queen, they are tough, big, they are deep down there. Oh, not yena esis rosa. Or mutu na telling you now the free from no more they are so there.
Wow.
Yes. To both the anthill is was no. The outside protrusion, the above on tinning upper drop on tinning no yet a tear or mutu of foam. No more they are building to move or more boat, no move to attend the back to move. The main apartment on echo from what down there for the king and the queen, and they are tough. When the ants are moving, they don't move in the daytime. When they are moving, they move with the king and the queen. And it's not very easy for you to see the king and the queen of the ant colony. No? And there are a series of rituals that among for mystical people, or the anthill here. And then for people who are watching us. Powerful rituals. Number one powerful ritual of an anthill, a love spell. Say, for guests, the powerful one you can do is with an anthill. The baby are member of some small bit. Those who are watching us, people can do this. So the anthill possess so much power, not just because there's some small ant being a tone of mujimi. The king and the queen, no, I have to say, every adibe nyankopon ba or do be true. For instance, if you go to the ocean, pone da hona, pokesi na da ho nyina no de minerals e wo pumu no, wunya wo ba bia. Is it gold? Is it diamond? Is it jewelry? Whatever it is that you're looking for. So there's a personality who is in charge of the ocean, your friend Varuna. So Varuna is one of the most richest demigod. Because all the minerals and all the jewels, so when you go there, it is this demigod, your friend Varuna, only taking in charge of everything there. Obaya sa si nyina so a ono so obofo ohwe so no na your friend say Mother Earth no and I say friend say asase ya na your friend say bumi mata because of your ba and into no ba asase we so into suo bia so e wo obofo ohwe so o ye fe we densu ye fe we pra ni nyina na your percentage ngum the anthills so no your personalities are they are in charge of the anthill. In every ant colony bia na esa term as colony no you a king and a queen. And like I said, almost some park, it is not possible for you to see them. When they are moving, they move in the night. I have ever done a ritual before with one old man who is so much into this mysticism when it comes to traditional African mysticism. So my first time witnessing the real size and form of a king or queen of the Termitarium. So we went there, we performed the ritual, and the next day when we went there, the king and the queen have come all the way closer to the edge. And no, I got shocked. Because I did science in school, and I know, say, termites, they were almost sized here, but what I saw no, something like tortoise, big. And they have something around the head like a crown, both the female and the male. And anybody who is able to do things for attraction, for protection, and for spells that for love and charms and all that, there are special mantras you recite, and those mantras and you go straight to the king and the queen of this Termitarium. Oko India, there is something they call Shiva Lingam. The Shiva Lingam is just a stone in the shape of an anthill. Okay. And those that want to have communication with Lord Shiva, they have that stone and they're able to communicate with Lord Shiva. And that anthill represents the form and the nature of the Shiva Lingam. So it's a very powerful thing, but unfortunately, people don't have any idea. So I tell people, say, a bit of land, so now don't even remove it. There are many things you can do to benefit yourself and then the people in that environment. Okay? So, yes, there are a lot of mysteries with it, and I want people to understand and say, there are many things you can do with it. As time goes on, maybe 2-3 things that you can do in regards to maybe a favor, protection, and maybe spells, love spells with the anthill. First thing is like our page on Facebook Transformations. We call YouTuber now we subscribe to our channel Transformation Era. And now opeswa obetimi download do your app no Transformation Radio app. All the videos are there. My video be my bia no ewo Transformation Radio app no obetimi ahwe video no ana obefa numbers yi na wa contact the office and say me pa me person me join Transformation no ye wo group okru bia so country bia so ntia bia se me wo US me wo New York and ntia person me join mu ku no so office number ya me dey ma wo no nipa no in charge na be ma US New York for executive number. Okay. Ebia also bia me wo London Obama one executive person or lend the number. Osibia me Sunyani and I will Kumasi. There's somebody there or no Nigerian name wants to offer number here. Obe mouse direction. So number is 0245 006467. Messi number is 0245 006467. Then second number is 0302 918808. I will repeat the number. 0302 918808. Or contact number now. There's no need calling. Just send a message. Please, me will Sunyani, me will Kumasi, me will US. I want to join transformation. Just short message. Nipa ne best send the contact number of the executive number of that area now person joining. Our groups, we pay for registration because your members they must be an ID card. So I know Ghana has 100 cities for the ID card and registration. Just only once. You introduce for now. In the future, but for now, no, you monthly dues to be here. Thank you.
We are grateful for you also.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Damas, I say, most stay through this video. Open more of these mystical knowledge. Follow Transformations on Facebook and then Transformations Era on YouTube. Thank you very much.